Hello everyone. Today I will talk about special edition of Shiba Tangem wallet. So it was released last year. I thought it was completely sold out, but a few days ago I noticed that you can still buy it. It says limited edition, 759 wallets in stock to buy now. So the price is 20% off, starting from $62. Also, you can get additional 10% discount if you use my code in the description below. So in total, you'll get 30% off discount. I ordered mine on Monday and I received on Wednesday. So in 2 days, you get it really fast. If you like this wallet, why not to buy? Let's see how it works. Just click order now, choose number of sets. Here you put copy paste my code and you get additional 10%. You so think about it, and if you decide, thank you in advance for using my code. See you next time. Bye bye.